Okay, so this is going to be a short video. It's page 45, number 49, and the question is they took first-year college students, women and men, and asked them on average how many minutes do they spend studying each night. Now what we're going to try to do is we're going to do a back-to-back stem plot. Now I'm just going to get you started on this. So sometimes it's important to make a key. Let me see if I can write that out. So you really want to make sure that the reader understands what's going on. So you help them out by saying, okay, look, the number 120 is represented by a 1 and a 2 over here. This is our line. So this is like the stem and this is the leaf. So if you had this and this, it would be 120. If, let's just say there was a 3 next to it, like this, 3, that indicates that there's two numbers. There's a 120 and there's a 130. Okay? And that's how we're going to do this stem and leaf plot. Now, let me get this thing started because they want to do a back-to-back. So what we're going to do is maybe we'll have women on one side and men on the other. So I'm doing this on my phone, so it's a little bit awkward. But for instance, there's a lot of numbers in there. So we're going to do split stems. And I guess we should do this, like this. So we put a 0 and a 0. So you look for the smallest number for the women. Actually, I'm going to start with the men because there was a guy who said they studied 0 minutes, so that would be a 0 there. And then the next biggest number would be a 3. So that's going to indicate 30 minutes. And there's actually a couple of those, right? So we just go in order from lowest to highest. And it turns out for the women, there was a woman that studied for 60 minutes, and there was another woman that studied for 90 minutes. Okay? So that's what that's going to look like. In fact, I can show you right here. See, that's the smallest number for the women, and then it goes up to 90, right? And then we're going to have a couple of more stems, which is, we're going to say, because there's a lot of numbers, okay? So now we're in the hundreds, 100 minutes or 110 minutes or 120 minutes. So I'm going to let you struggle with that. But I will let you know it goes like this. 2, 2, 3, 3. And we just try to keep them in order. Men on this side, women on this side. So the 2 would indicate 200 minutes or more. So a 2, 1 would be 210 minutes. That kind of thing. Okay? So give that a shot, and we will take a look at it tomorrow morning. I think we see you tomorrow morning. Anyway, good luck.